Good morning. Happy Gratitude Walkie number 5, Walkie-Talkie. So I was listening to a book by Dr. Joe Vitale, and he says that the fastest way to change anything is through gratitude. And so I figured I'd give you that background a little bit on like why the heck am I going crazy with gratitude? Well, first off, because I feel like I'm really grateful for a lot of things. Like I'm grateful for the rain right now. Do you know how many other people are out in the rain? Me. I'm the only one, and it's only barely drizzling. Plus I have an umbrella. But I am grateful for so many things. And I thought, you know what? I love speed. I love when things change quickly. And so I thought, let's do it. Let's just, well, plus when I was praying, that's what I felt I should do. So there's both of those things. So I'm grateful for Dr. Joe Vitale for reminding me that the fastest way to make change is through gratitude. So that's what I'm doing. And remember, I'm walking with you and you're stronger than you think. Have the best day. Love you. Bye.